Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload WhatsApp DP without blur. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Photos app on your phone. Step 2. Next, select the photo you want to use as your WhatsApp DP. Step 3. Once you've selected the photo, tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Now, look for the Crop tool, usually found at the bottom of the editing options, and tap on it. Step 5. Adjust the crop as needed to ensure the image is in a perfect square format. Then tap on Save Copy to keep the edited version. Step 6. After that, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Step 7. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Step H. Now, tap on Settings, then tap on your profile photo to proceed. Step 9. Next, tap on the camera icon and select the Gallery option. Step 10. Choose the edited photo from your gallery. Step 11. Now adjust the photo to fit within the display area. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, tap on Done. That's it. Your WhatsApp DP will now appear clear and sharp. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.